behalf of our students, we'd like to thank you for bringing someone from our small school to achieve such great things. We're all looking forward to seeing you win another gold at Los Angeles 2028.
Is it real gold?
The outside is like gold plated. Most of it's silver. And then there's a piece of the original light tower in the center there that I was able to take home with me.
It's like the most.
Okay, I was going to sing Build His Suit Up. I'm so upset. He was doing like a man, so I couldn't even see him. He was just like back room. And I was so disappointed. But the most famous person I actually met, I think it was Mike Phelps.
It's a place that holds so many great memories. I hold John Barsby close to my heart. So thank you all so much. I really appreciate it. Go Dogs.
The best hammer throw ever!
Ethan, we can't wait to see where your dreams and your passions take you next. Congratulations on your Olympic gold and realizing the results of your many years of hard work.
And as we walk over to the hammer throw
Being able to represent Canada, but especially represent Nanaimo and Vancouver Island, means the world to me. There's an amazing sense of community here, and the support I've received is incredible. You guys are absolutely amazing at welcoming me home and sending me like nice messages. It's been amazing.
We love you!